Hi, News. Niba Olivia Kwaba. So we are subscribing to the channel now. Let's say over subscribe. What do you say over 28 subscribe button. Now we pay notification. We are sa video piano. So we sa airbag can be. I feel we are now like video. Don't give us a thumbs up. Share my awful for so now we maybe now work. I feel you go and send me a year Opambour. What they and some to the young man in Kenya. A protest area the British chefs or Bigwigs Parliament just said and yet assent to one. Now, no, actually, no, I am a penny ever kings and Sammy aside. And no Opambour a day and Sammy Afriyie, I found out they to a hasi, what they and Sammy Afriyie. Now, you can put your Opambour, your buyer, Kofi Oduro, Prophet Kofi Oduro today, and some of their fires and we are. Now, you can see a year of Opambour and some Wakafa a year Sansimo. The bar now, Kofi Oduro, Prophet Kofi Oduro, and so as also Eddie Amamu. Protest
against the government. What the two taxes, Prophet, and yes, I'm control Boroso. And I had it. And Opambour or Parliament House. Nadifo, yes, not Ghana people. Yes, a Ghana MP baby 5 for no quiet. Jesus Christ.
Or even Patamoko president, Equator parliamentarians, Ama Sam Amrano, Abayam, Kenya.
What do you
Sir, Kenya, BSC. Now you're running mate, Emma President, your friend in Kawundo not as one. Your friend, only didn't want you not to be as one. Yeah, not what for no, or you're running mate. But your brother can't buy warrior. Then the warrior, the good president, any must. It's an I'm so. Emma President Kazeda be Ninsam Kabia Walkan. Opeso Chilasa, a member on in the Buya.
Yes.
Sankoya, Mano de Buya.
Yes.
Nadia Wuye, Ukumeni Masi. Etienne so. And my party now, President in the Tribunal, Adano, Omi in the film. And Akoto ni party. To attend the party. They are no one can tax a president in the Abano. One of Canning. Onuba Babichem, the president no name Namayano, or Kabi another day, one fat. Maybe that cost for Ghana. Got the same Ghana, a tournament across for Ghana. So tournament may be no more. A great tournament, political tournament, and a Kososano. It is so much European tournament. So tournament, a Biani upon Ghana, don't want Kenya, a Biani. It will not pass. Nature send summer walking into you to not dream. But the taxes obey you yet you are, obey you yet you are, obey say the papa no name or a driver or can be on the bed. One far. I tell you about to abandon man as our dad our mine. Taxi be on or Bashani Mati Biaka. Hey, anyone who was a critic tax, yes.
But I'm ready for Pato Power, Kenya 48, the Pato or the 25% tax and a toast. Or the from Pato and Kura diapers are 7 which I'm gonna go, and also 25%. Or the from Pato and Mantima, Pada on the song Masano, or the from Pato or the tax and toast, or the for a city, Pato milk. The Patromilo, Sadi, or the tax air tosso.
I can't be quiet and Papa set up a fashion. Be a tax, a fear menu team, tax. Where that may you about to say, tax.
Africa for places.
No, afraid yet. So, who may when you couldn't be here? Do be a campaign that's an opera. And then. A penny for the Biatan Africa for Sabias and Yenim Jansen. But they said, I know be a so bit to me probably be nada. And why a campaign I know Cheska. Jesus. Why a campaign I know Cheska, no Chebikas. Need not the Padionim so about you to know about what you to know. I feel the one Yakun and the Kenya, some Namika, nature says some of the Massa. They are not tested that I'm crying.
Now, from Rantian about one of my idea.
Yes.
It's almost so good for Parliament House. Over the Dominican of Lemkus and Dominica. Prophet and Yasam Kotwa. I'm Rantian about one who said, move to me for my business here.
No, business. No, be in Tiena, that's and be about Terabia can was any penny.
Yes.
Or be in Tiena that may. Let me suffer me to like meeting me at Jiska. About Miss Romeba Muntameba, because he met Jiska.
Yes, sir.
Afro Bio. We meet here. So, Momrafie, would ye if a cramming from Pet Mammy, whom to be your way. May you come in cancer, Kush, women pass. And I'm a penman who in my field and your goom. My mum who fufro, and a politac, and I'll do bear one. No Opambour from Kankakra. This is Selkugum. No, I am Swinnicum. Yes. So, Mr. Adam meeting the Kankakra. Kawi Adamato, Yadama son by his. Meeting actually. But the yen is so general.
You waiting for wedding and some year Opambour every 2 years were there a year kingdom when protest a course over to a year Ghana has and Wada and Sunday Brady. Now I go a Prophet Kofi Oduro Yeti or so in summer or the 2 year Afriyie king for one protest in Hopeson Adorye. Inti or so in the hour into.
I came here as a reconciler, and I am reconciling the nation back to God. As for Ghana, our heart is even worse than the dictators like Museveni and the rest of those dictators on the continent of Africa. Look at the demonstration in Kenya that killed 6 people. Now 7 persons have died in Kenya. All that their president can do is come and said, well, I withdraw the bill that have brought about all these things. But a person's husband is dead. A person's father is dead. A person's son is dead. This continent is divided. We lack leaders. You don't wait until madness hits the streets. You do not wait. There is anger in the whole world. A buffoo will nipemo all over the world. Populists against their leaders. I'm telling you the truth. When we talk about leadership, we were not talking about managing. That somebody is being a manager or a supervisor. There is a difference between leadership and somebody being a boss. Boss and all those things is positional. Leadership is a mandate with a calling. It takes somebody very unique and special to hold that particular assignment. Tell them, let's look in the eyes of our president and tell President Akufo-Addo, Your Excellency, with all due respect, until right is done to all manner of persons, you are in danger of hellfire. Tell the Vice President of Ghana, until righteousness exalts a nation, you are in danger of hellfire. Tell the Speaker of Parliament, until righteousness is in the course of our dispensing of legislature, you are in the danger of hellfire. Tell the Chief Justice, until righteous judgments are predicated based on law and the rule of law only, you are in danger of hellfire. Tell MPP and NDC, anything done in the secret shall be brought into light, and tell them that the God they are joking with is also a killer. Tell them. I had pleas for the youth of this country. I don't see any hope for them. All people are just swallowing the wealth of a nation as if there is no tomorrow. And our clergy, our fathers, most of them are quiet. The moment you speak, get ready for action and battle. I love how my mother Chrisidoted a sack on Joy FM and made an announcement. You can't gag the church. You cannot gag the church. There will be a fight. I was telling my father and the people that were in Bible study the other day before we started this 10-day fast. I said to them, say, will be your mind come for Umu be Agyapong. Or here no or Tia Kunyasono Umunu. Or some in Sumaino. Will be your mind come for. On ready and anabeti my yamano. The Pia or Bebani Buff. Or man come for Pia where Papa Bia Beginava. Or therefore, Mama come for the crowd can be able to be impartial. We are people in clerical suits who cannot tell right from wrong, blue from green. What kind of nonsense is that? That is why people come to church these days with pictures. Breaking him, do you think that God is an idol? You are not bringing your witchcraft into church. You are not bring or no so for no one be a group bottle modiama monyen no or no sorry I know a coon specialist and one who no near mamma mosemono.
You waiting for waiting and some of your Prophet Kofi Oduro at the Opambour in Kenya homes and some year protest also I president who said according to our withdraw a year and some of the taxes are not for per se what they pay one so. Make I was interested so and I will have so we know subscribe we are message say over subscribe no like it. Now watch a video no ama offer so any be now watch. Also betting a chair what in Afriyie and some way now I will comment boxing in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.